polishing discs in that box and backing pads. That's a little fold-up chair. There's a sanding, that box there is a sanding stick. What do you call it? Stick set?
Stick grinder?
Stick grinder.
Wheel polisher.
We've got on the ground here. On the ground here is burgeries. All the buffs. All the polish under here. I'll show you better when we stop. And another chair, and then in the dog box there's 2 sanders. Oh well, 2 polishers, sanders, whatever you want to call them.
We have a truck full of polishing stuff.
we're a mobile trucking, polishing and trucking company. We do both. We'll stop and polish your truck and then we'll take the load that you can't take. We normally polish at the yard, but today it's our first mobile polishing job. How do you feel about this, being a mobile polisher?
Look, spoiler alert, it is my brother's truck.
Yeah, doesn't mean we don't do a good job.
So we're off to Fine Form here in Sydney, and we're going to polish that truck, and then I have to do a front bar. If you'd seen up and down the highway a white truck that says Fine Form on it with a flat roof, got to do the front bar on that. Scott's truck is a disaster zone.
Well, you'll get to see it all. You'll get to see the before, the after, and hopefully some of the in-between. And we'll give you, I don't know exactly how we'll do the video, but we'll give you a bit of a show and tell.
And understanding. I hope we've got everything we need. It has seemed like we've packed for the apocalypse, so.
Yeah, but I feel like there'll still be something. We got like 3 rakes. We've got like...
No, there's 4 rakes.
I only packed 3.
Oh, that was...
We got like 3 rakes. We've got 3 bottles of purple polish. We got like about...
Yo, Scott's got 4 litres of purple polish. Crazy.
We've got plenty of purple polish. And we're starting our day, other than packing the truck up with everything we need, by getting pizza.
It was so much better that I prepared everything last night.
It was. And that I chose to put everything in the washing basket, because otherwise it would have been...
Oh, yeah, that's right. I don't need a new washing basket.
We run out of an old box and a washing basket, because we're professional. And it's gonna rain, ready? It's gonna rain today. But luckily, there is a cover. Set up and everything we brought. Got the backing pads, dustpan, rattle gun, our box full of discs. We have a whole bunch of microfiber cloths. This is the box with all the different polishes we got and all the different compounds and a couple little extras. We got some tools, charger, Ziploc bags, which are important, with a permanent marker, some of the things we've taken off, put it in a bag so you don't lose it. It's, I don't know, what time is it?
6:55.
It's 6:55, it's dark out now. We've got the front bar partially sanded. It still needs a little bit. You can't really see on the camera, but it's still got some itty bitty stone chips. The generator's going. We've had some dinner. Tanks have been... What number have you done the tanks to?
800.
Tunks. The tunks.
What?
The tunks. My brain said that.
Tons.
Yeah. The tanks have been done at 800. All the trimming came off the truck. There you go, that's the tanks. This is still on 180. So it needs to be finished off, and then we can go up in the numbers. So you start off, or it just depends how badly something needs a sand. We're on 180 now. Then we'll have to go to 200, 320, 400, 600, 800. How are you feeling?
Oh, I'm great. I'm fine.
You gotta fix up these ladies though. She's looking a bit worked.
Inspired.
She's looking a bit rusty. Get it? Haha. Very funny. Oi, you know how birds fly into something when it's too clear? Jake goes and smashes his head into what he's just polished. Alright. Let's go. It is 10 o'clock. We got second dinner going. More cold pizza. Jake changed to 80 on the bar rather than 180 like we're doing. How's it going?
I've got about that much to go, left of 80, and then it's all, the rest of it's easy. So the 80's just to take out, it's with anything, you need to address the issue first. So I'm addressing the issue, all the stone chips, or 99.9% of them. And once all the stone chips are gone, then we can work our way up the grit and then polish. So this is the longest part, and then all the rest of it's quick. Once that's done, do the wheels, have a wipe down of everything, and work our way forward.
How many hours do you reckon?
5. It's gonna be a long day. Alright, back to it. Still to I'm doing 400 now, 600, 7 stages of sanding. That's 320 and this is 400. This is what 400 gets you.
How many more hours?
I don't know, 4 or 5.
Got the front wheels done.
How beautiful that is.
Front wheels done. Back wheels done. On this side, the front wheel's done on the other side.
What's the plate's done?
What?
Swing plate's done?
Swing plate is done. That's in 800. Got all these done to 800.
Few things to go. The hard part is getting everything to 800 so that you can just run along with the buff.
I'd say you're going to be buffing for a couple hours though. You get stuck on detail.
Nah.
You're a perfectionist, which is good and bad. You've been a perfectionist.
Where did I be perfection?
Everywhere. When last night, how many more hours did you say it would take?
Listen, yes, it's taken a little longer than I thought.
8:45. At 4 a.m. last night, you told me only about 3 more hours.
Listen, I am hopeful. I convinced myself. Draw an outline of me. I'm dead.
The check plate still has to be done. The straps need to go on the tanks. The skirting on the tanks needs to be done, but everything else is finished. Oh, is that what that was? I thought you were saying move the camera over.
Dumb mistake shaving my chest last night when I was on live. Well, not live, when I was on the phone with my friends. Just do it on your chest, it'll make it really smooth. I'm like, yep, so dumb.
It's really itchy, isn't it?
Yep.
I could have told you not to do that. I did tell you not to do that when I heard you from the other room. I'm like, are you shaving your chest? Stop. And you're like, I've already started. It's alright, it'll grow back. It'll grow back thicker and more manly. Like you've eaten your crusts.
Do you like